Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva website templates in Google Sites. Combining Canva's powerful design tools with Google Sites' user-friendly platform allows you to create stunning web pages effortlessly. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your website looks professional and engaging. You'll learn to seamlessly transfer your creative visions from Canva directly into your Google site, making the process straightforward and efficient. First, let's prepare your design in Canva. Open the specific website template or design you wish to use. Look for the Share button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. From the options that appear, select More, then choose the Embed option. You will then be presented with an HTML embed code or a Smart Embed link. Copy this code or link, as it is crucial for the next step. Now, let's bring your Canva design into Google Sites. Open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want to add the content. For a full page integration, it's best to add a new page and select the Full Page Embed option. Paste the HTML embed code or Smart Embed link you copied from Canva into the provided box. After pasting, click Next and then Insert to see your beautiful Canva design appear on your Google site page. With your Canva design embedded, you can now finalize your site. Feel free to adjust the size and position of your embedded content within Google Sites to achieve the desired layout. You can also add other Google Sites elements, like text boxes or images, around your embedded design. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, thoroughly review your entire website. Finally, click the Publish button to make your newly designed Google site live for everyone to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.